Blueberry Vanilla Iced Coffee. The sweetest fruity sip you need to try. Hey coffee lovers, today we're making a refreshing blueberry vanilla iced coffee that's sweet, smooth, and bursting with fruity flavor. This unique drink combines bold coffee with homemade blueberry goodness and a hint of vanilla for the perfect balance. It's light, delicious, and perfect for warm days. If you're ready to try a fun twist on iced coffee, let's get started. Ingredients. You'll need 1 cup cold brew or chilled brewed coffee, stir-sit cup fresh or frozen blueberries, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon water or teaspoon vanilla extract ice, its cup milk or cream. Directions. Start by making a quick blueberry syrup. In a small saucepan, combine the blueberries, sugar, and water. Heat over medium, stirring occasionally until the berries break down and the mixture thickens slightly. This takes about 5-7 minutes. Remove from heat, strain if desired, and let it cool. Fill a glass with ice, then pour in your cold brew coffee. Add 1-2 tablespoons of the blueberry syrup, depending on how sweet and fruity you want it. Stir in the vanilla extract, then pour in your milk or cream. Give everything a good stir, and watch the beautiful swirl of purple and cream come together. This iced coffee is smooth, lightly sweet, and packed with a fresh blueberry flavor that pairs perfectly with the boldness of coffee. And that's your blueberry vanilla iced coffee. Sweet, refreshing, and full of unique flavor, it's the perfect drink to brighten your day. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun coffee ideas. Let me know in the comments what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com/3coffeelover.